Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I make my deodorant. It is an easy at-home DIY, all natural, and probably most things you may have on hand. It works so well that I haven't bought deodorant in like 8 months, I think. I started doing this last December, and this jar actually lasted me most of that time. I did make that little bit at the bottom recently because I was running low, but I'm going to make a fresh batch. I just apply it as soon as I get out of the shower so that I don't, cross-contaminate any sweat into the jar, and yeah, I'm going to just show you how we make it. This is all it takes to make. The base of the deodorant is coconut oil, and then the other half is equal parts of baking soda and cornstarch. Then essential oils, probably 20 drops or so. I'm using tea tree and lemongrass because of their antibacterial, antifungal properties, which is just good for a deodorant. Lavender is also nice. You can use whatever ones you would like. So it's really as simple as just adding those ingredients and mixing them together. I will demonstrate, which is probably unnecessary. Doesn't have to be perfect. In my opinion, I never follow directions for recipes to the T anyway. So I'm gonna call that about halfway full of coconut oil. Dump in the baking soda to fill it. That silence is me trying to determine what the ratios of this mixture are. If 2/4, okay, yes, 2/4 full of coconut, 1/4 of baking soda, and the last fourth is cornstarch. Mix that in together. You want the consistency to be soft enough to where you can, scoop it out to apply it, but also not too watery. Obviously. This knowledge is probably common sense, but in the warmer months, it is going to be much softer than in the winter when it is colder because of how coconut oil is affected by temperature. Essential oils, again, just gauge it however you would like. I've never had any problems with body odor when using this. I'm just laughing because I'm sure at some point in time I've had probably many times problems with body odor. So that's about it. It now is just this beautiful mixture. I mean, honestly, The other one I made is not this liquidous. But I'm gonna let it sit and see if the coconut oil will start to solidify before I add anything else to it. And if it stays this consistency, I will probably just add more cornstarch. Cornstarch? The one thing I will say is if you have sensitive underarms, go easy on the baking soda. It is exfoliating, to say the least. The little granules are abrasive if it is overdone. If it's evenly distributed through the mixture, you should be fine. But because it is sodium bicarbonate, it can sting a little if you have like razor burn, or if you overdo it and it scratches the armpit itself. I have only had that problem when I made that new mixture, and I was just in a pinch trying to hurry up and get it done, and I added way more baking soda than even coconut oil. Other than that, I think this is good to go. I will clean up my mess now. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you try this. I think this works better than any store-bought deodorant, and I know that the natural ones, while I do prefer those, can be pretty pricey, and this lasts a long time. Okay, this is why I don't belong on the internet. I'm just kidding again. How many times can she kid? 10 minutes later and I am completely done. It's so quick and easy. I love it so much. It works wonderful. I sincerely hope you try it and have a nice day.